Transform your home with these simple DIY projects. Want to transform your home without breaking the bank? Stay tuned for 10 simple DIY projects you can start today. These projects are budget-friendly, easy to follow, and will make a noticeable difference in your living space. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into easy DIY projects to elevate your living space. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, these projects are perfect for enhancing your home's aesthetics and functionality. First up, floating shelves. They're perfect for adding storage and style to any room. These versatile shelves can showcase your favorite decor items, books, or even plants, giving your room a personalized touch without taking up floor space. You'll need wooden boards, brackets, a drill, and screws for this project. These materials are easy to find at any hardware store and won't cost much. With just a few tools and some creativity, you can create stunning floating shelves. To start, measure, cut, and sand the boards to your desired length. Then, mount the brackets securely to the wall using the drill and screws. Finally, place the wooden boards on the brackets, and your floating shelves are ready to use. A painted accent wall can dramatically change the ambiance of a room without overwhelming the space. By selecting a bold or contrasting color, you can create a focal point that draws attention and adds character, making the room more inviting and dynamic. To create a DIY planter, gather some pots, soil, and your favorite plants. Whether you choose succulents, herbs, or flowers, adding greenery to your home can improve air quality and provide a touch of nature, enhancing your living environment. A custom headboard can elevate the look of your bedroom, giving it a luxurious feel. By selecting materials that match your decor, you can create a unique and personalized piece that not only adds comfort but also serves as a stylish focal point. Refinishing old furniture is an excellent way to breathe new life into pieces you already own. By sanding down the old finish and applying a fresh coat of paint or stain, you can transform outdated items into stylish, functional pieces that complement your home's decor. Upgrading your light fixtures can instantly modernize any room. By selecting contemporary designs that match your style, you can improve lighting and add a touch of elegance, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Fill the pots with quality soil, ensuring proper drainage. Choose plants that suit your home's lighting conditions. Carefully plant them, avoiding damage to roots. Arrange the planters around your home to add a touch of greenery and fresh ambiance. A custom headboard can make your bedroom feel like a luxury hotel. Begin by cutting plywood to the desired size. Attach foam for comfort, then cover it with your chosen fabric. Secure it with a staple gun and mount it behind your bed. Refinishing old furniture can breathe new life into your pieces. Start by sanding down the old finish until smooth. Apply a fresh coat of paint or stain, depending on your preference. Let it dry thoroughly, revealing a revitalized, stylish look. Upgrading your light fixtures can instantly modernize your home. Carefully remove the old fixtures and install the new ones, ensuring all wires are securely connected. This simple change can significantly enhance the lighting and overall aesthetic of any space. A DIY backsplash adds a stylish touch to your kitchen or bathroom. Measure the area accurately and cut the peel and stick tiles to fit. Apply the tiles carefully, ensuring they adhere properly. The result is a refreshed, modern look with minimal effort. Refinishing old furniture can breathe new life into your home decor. Start by choosing a piece that needs a makeover. Sand it down to remove the old finish. This step ensures the new paint or stain adheres properly. Once the furniture is sanded, choose your new finish. Whether you opt for paint or stain, apply it evenly with a brush. Take your time to ensure a smooth, even coat. Let the piece dry completely before moving on. Upgrading light fixtures is a quick way to modernize a space. Pick fixtures that complement your existing decor. Turn off the power to the area you're working on. Carefully remove the old fixture and follow the instructions to install the new one. A DIY backsplash can transform your kitchen or bathroom. Peel and stick tiles are a great option for beginners. Measure the space carefully to ensure a perfect fit. Cut and apply the tiles, smoothing out any bubbles for a sleek finish. Creating an outdoor seating area extends your living space. Choose comfortable furniture that can withstand the elements. Add cushions for extra comfort and a splash of color. String lights overhead to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Adding a DIY backsplash to your kitchen or bathroom can give the space a fresh, modern look. Select peel and stick tiles that match your decor style and get ready to transform your walls with minimal effort and maximum impact. Measure your wall area carefully, ensuring you have enough tiles to cover the space. Clean the surface thoroughly to ensure the tiles stick properly. Use a utility knife to cut tiles as needed, making sure they fit perfectly. Applying the tiles is a straightforward process. Start from one corner and work your way across, pressing the tiles firmly onto the wall. Make sure each tile aligns properly to avoid gaps or unevenness for a professional finish. Create an inviting outdoor seating area to extend your living space. Choose comfortable outdoor furniture that suits the size of your patio or garden. Adding cushions in vibrant colors can enhance both comfort and aesthetic appeal. Enhance the ambiance by hanging string lights around your seating area. Arrange the furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. This simple addition can make your outdoor space a perfect spot for gatherings or peaceful evenings. Arrange your outdoor furniture to create a cozy and inviting space for relaxation and socializing. Consider placing a mix of chairs, benches, and a table to accommodate various activities. Add comfortable cushions to make the seating more enjoyable. Elevate the ambiance by incorporating string lights in your outdoor seating area. Hang them overhead or drape them around the furniture to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The soft glow will make evening gatherings more magical and memorable. To maximize storage in your closet, build a custom organizer. Measure the space and install shelving units to fit your needs. This will help keep your clothes and accessories neatly arranged, making it easier to find what you need. Try out these DIY projects and share your results in the comments. We'd love to hear how they transformed your living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching. We hope these DIY projects inspire you to enhance your home. Stay tuned for more creative ideas and practical advice. Happy DIYing, and see you in the next video. Transform your entryway with a personalized welcome mat. Choose a plain mat and stencil a design or message that reflects your style. This simple touch adds a warm, inviting feel to your home as soon as guests arrive. Unleash your creativity with a DIY photo gallery wall. Select your favorite photos, print them in various sizes, and frame them. Arrange the frames on your wall in a visually appealing pattern for a personalized touch that showcases your memories. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.